Alright guys, so I made this. It's raining outside today. I was going to show this off outside, but I might as well just show it off right here the way it is. And I made this tactical package here. And what it is, it's removable. So you can put it on and off of the Avata. And you hit that twice and a bright light comes on. And you can adjust the light settings to even brighter. It's pretty good bright light. You could see that 3 miles away for sure. I mean, look, it's daylight inside. I mean, I got the light on inside and it's really bright. Alright, so hit that twice or hold it down and it turns it off. Hit it twice and it turns it on. And then on the other side, hit that twice and you got cycle through a red light, a blue light, flashing red light, flashing red and blue, white light, yellow light, green light, and that's it on that. So there's your police lights right there. And then on the other side, if you hit this one 3 times, or maybe it's this one. Yep. So there's a UV light. So at night you can use UV light to find blood stains or stuff left by that you can't see with the naked eye. So this is a tactical package I made, and the light is easy to get off here. You can pull the light off, charge it, and it's magnetic, and use it if you want to use it. It just slides right back on there like that. And this one's got axis motors on it. I'm going to do a review on the axis motors. I've got one started, but you don't lose any flight time with the axis motors unless you're in manual mode. I've tested that out. And this comes right off too. And you got your charge port right here if you don't want to take it apart and separate it from the unit. It goes easily back on just like that. And it stays on really well. It ain't going to just fall off. So it's an easy tactical package. I just put, it don't have to be police. It can say whatever on the side here. If you want one of these, I'm going to leave my email address below and things.com to actually print one of these out. And we can edit it to make it in any, say any name on the side right here. But I figured this would be a nice option for people to purchase if you're police or tactical or whatever. And you can use this drone during the dark. I seen another tactical package and it had lights on the side here. And I don't like the lights on the side because you want this thing to fit in tight spaces if you're indoors. So lights on the side limits your ability to go indoors. We will be making another version of this to where you have lights on the bottom because the sensors read from the lights on the bottom. And That version is going to have 2 lights on the side here, but this is our first version here. And if you want to see more about it, or send me an email, we'll talk about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is something I came up with, and I hope you guys like. Alright, see ya.